Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade Australian dollar versus US dollar and generate good profits. Guys, watch this video till the end so that you will know how psychology is kept strong. Right now I am applying the trade as per my risk, which has already been calculated. See you guys after some time. Guys, our trade is placed well. Now as we progress in the video you will understand why we have placed a sell trade. We have $2,854 in our account which needs to grow. The market here was an uptrend for a long time, but now a trend reversal is being seen here. This has created a selling opportunity here. Let us explain this to you through the trend channel. The market has taken support on this trend line and moved upwards, due to which this trend line has been well respected. We will also see higher low points near this trend line, which can help us identify the uptrend. The second trend line will connect at the higher high points at the same angle. This trend line also acts as resistance. The market has been moving up for quite some time, creating an uptrend pattern within this trend channel. But here the market has broken this trend channel below, which has resulted in a strong trendline breakout. This is a real breakout, which you will find out later. Now we will create a strong reversal level here to confirm this breakout, which will tell us the exact position of the market. The market is creating multiple reversal points at this level. All these points are most important because the market may react at this level in the future. Within this trend channel, the market initially encountered resistance at this level and later broke above this level to create support points. But now the market has broken this level along with this trend channel, due to which the chances of the market going down here increase significantly. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we will place stop loss in target point. My stop loss will be 8 pip above the strong support resistance level and near the uptrend. If this is a fake breakout, we will exit the trade, and the target point will be at the new lower low, which is the 16 pip low. Here the market has given a strong trendline breakout which increases our chances of winning significantly. Guys, right now we are making a profit of a few dollars. This profit will increase further. We just have to remain in the trade with patience. We are confident in our setup as it is a high probability breakout setup. Guys, our work is complete. Now the market work begins. We just have to watch the market because whichever way the market moves, we will get the results automatically because we have placed stop loss and profit target. If you think trading is a lot of fun, you're wrong, because trading is one of the most boring jobs. Only those traders who can sit alone become profitable, because being alone makes it easier for you to see your shortcomings and mistakes, so you make good decisions. Now we will meet guys after some time. Till then you can like the video.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, market has given us very good results. The market is moving down, creating price action in the same direction in which we placed the trade. Our target has been hit here. Our entry was at the right place, allowing us to follow risk management properly. Always know your loss before placing a trade. Only then will you be able to keep your psychology strong during the trade. Now we will draw the next level. The market has created multiple support and resistance points at this level, and the market has been following this level for a long time. If the market repeatedly reverses from a level, we may see a reaction at that level in the future as well. The market can now break below this level or form support at this level and reverse back upwards from here. The market had come close to this level target before but did not hit it. But we kept our patience here and the market came back to the same place and hit our target. Now we close our trade. Guys, we are currently making a profit of $2,600. We had $2,854 in our account, which has now become $5,606 after the profit. We kept our psychology strong here, which helped us get this result. Always never close the trade midway, because closing the trade midway harms your risk management and psychology. If you learned something from this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
like this.